Hi friends, today I'm going to read My Truck is Stuck by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk. My truck is stuck. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they go, round and round. What do you see? A hole. Into a hole. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engines roar, but the truck won't go. Not one more inch. Wonder how they're going to get the truck out of the hole. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Help, please help. Beep, beep. Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Tug and tow, two engines roar, but the truck won't go. Not one more inch. What kind of truck is coming now? It's a moving truck. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a van driven by a moving man. Do you think the moving truck's going to be able to help the truck get unstuck? Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow, three engines roar, but my truck won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a Jeep up a hill very steep. How many vehicles do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if 4 will be able to get the truck unstuck. Let's find out. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow, four engines roar, the truck won't go. No, he's still stuck. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. Do you think the bus will be able to help him get unstuck? Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow, 5 engines roar. The truck won't go. Honk, honk. What kind of a truck is this? A tow truck. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure to move it on its way. Just hook it up and then you'll say, Let's see if the tow truck can help. What luck! My truck is not stuck. The tow truck was able to help. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. Those dogs look happy with their bones. The end.